Yeah. Oh, I be so confused. Oh, the main part is this. It's always the ugly bitches hating. Oh, you too ugly. The boy is on fire. They can't take. They can't take. They can't take.
Please, I look cute.
Purr.
Oh, baby, bye. It's never giving that.
Wow. I did that. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Oh my god. Oh my. Ciao. Hey, y'all. Oh my gosh. Y'all look crazy.
Yeah.
I look a mess. I'm promising to look cute. This is such a bad way to introduce myself. Oh my gosh. But let's watch. Today I will be installing this beauty right here. Look at her. Look at, wait, look at the, and I done plucked, bleached, massaged, and everything. Like, don't mind being tired. Don't mind this side, because this side, we're not going to talk about it. Okay, let's look at this side. Bitch. I did that. I did that. I did that. Yes, I did. That is scalp. Scalp, baby. I try to fix this side. We will work on magic. Because one thing about us, one thing about black women is we will work on magic, okay? And I will have you tantalized by the end of this video. Try not to fall in love. No, it can be quite easy to do that, you know? I'm gonna be using Ghost Bond. The thing about Ghost Bond is it will snatch your edges off if you don't get it right. And I've been there. Oh my gosh. Yes, I do have a big forehead naturally, but before I swear, it used to stop here. I swear. And what Ghost Bond did to me, let's bring it back here. Damn, these are small. What the hell? Now we make sense. I mean, I still look stupid, but
Yeah.
at least you see like the vision and like you know what I'm doing. You know, before I was just looking. Child. Like, oh wow, look at my skin, y'all. So everything came from Yulissa hair. Hopefully, in time, it will be free. Okay, I will be getting paid for a video like this. Okay, that's the goal. But the thing about this wig, yeah, is it doesn't even fit me. It doesn't fit me. For some reason, I forgot I had a big ass forehead and a big ass head, and I got a medium. I always get medium and it always fits, but this one is really small. So I'm guessing Yulissa hair runs small. They don't like big head bitches. Big ass forehead. They don't fuck with us. So size up. Get a large. You got a large head, get a large wig. A lesson learned. Why is this wig cap so small too? I'm telling you, they don't like big head bitches. Oh my gosh. I ain't never seen no tiny wig cap like this before. What am I supposed to do with it? Discrimination, y'all. It's a lawsuit. We're going to court. We're going to court. But one thing about me, I'm gonna love my big forehead. I'm gonna be so bad. Okay? Because I know it's normal. And y'all making me feel alien. Okay. Oh my gosh, cheese sauce? I'm really gonna have to force this down. Oh, where the fuck did the scissors go? Ooh, I found the scissors. motherfucking pregnant, like what? Little nigga wanna try it. Oh. That's what my head shape looks like. Yeah, I look like a condom. Thunderstorms. I'm so pretty. Don't play with me. Forehead. I'm not trying to overplug.
Bitch!
I'm back.
No! Baby!
Look how good that's looking. Okay.
No! Move the fuck around!
Should I record it?
No!
Forehead. That day two. First day didn't go too well. I mean, it was cute, but like, girl, today is going better. I'm cute.
Yeah!
I promise I'm not gonna record. I do this every day. I do this every day.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Girl. Oh. Oh.
Sorry.
I'm your basic average girl.
I don't have time. Oh, that looks good. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, hold on. Okay, y'all, the finished look. I think it came out good. It's really puffy and it's long. It's so pretty. Yes, let's get into the detail. I kind of messed up over here, but that's fine. That's fine. Oh, I'm kind of cute from the side. Wait, I'm so cute. I'm so cute. I wanna like. Anyways, I just wanted to show off because look how pretty it is. No, because I cut it just right for my forehead. Yeah, forehead.
Thank y'all for watching and getting into it because the responses was epic, okay? Everybody liked it, whether it was good already it was bad. Yeah. Period. Bye. No!